Hello friends, welcome to our channel. So in case if you are new to our channel, so please subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon so that you will be getting the notification as soon as I upload the new videos. So friends, in this video, we are going to discuss about the difference between string and string buffer in Java. So as we know, string and string buffer both are predefined classes from java.lang package. So both are predefined class, string as well as string buffer. Both are predefined class from java.lang package. Functionality wise, both are same. String is a sequence of character. The same way string buffer is also sequence of character. So now definitely we will be getting a question, then what is the difference between string and string buffer, or what is the need of another one? So already I have a string, then what is the need of string buffer? So we need to understand the difference between string and string buffer. Actually, strings are immutable objects in Java. Strings are immutable objects in Java, but string buffers are mutable objects in Java. Since both are predefined class, both are going to be an object. So the difference between these two object is string is the immutable one, but string buffer is the mutable one. So first we'll see the different in program wise, so that you will be getting the clear picture. So let us take first one, string. So how it is immutable? So immutable in the sense something like a which cannot be modified. So which means string objects are unmodified one. So which mean it's not like a constant. So which mean I can modify, but when I try to modify the string content, instead of updating the same memory, it will be taking the new memory. It will modify the string content and in the new memory. So let us look at one code. Let me create a string object. Let it be string s equal. I may initialize the string object by using new keyword, or I can assign literals, whatever it is. Anything is fine. For example, I'm creating a string object by using new keyword. So already we know that the moment I create an object, it will be taking a new memory from the heap memory. So finally, what is happening here? Because of this line, the reference s is pointing a string called Java. The reference s is pointing a string object Java. Now, I'm trying to perform some string operation. For example, let me take a string operation concatenation. So we know that string is providing a separate method called concat. I'm going to concat with world. I'm trying to modify the string object content. So because of this line, what will happen? Because of this line, what will happen? It will be creating a new object, Java world. The new object. It is not updating the same memory. It is not updating the same memory. It is creating a new object in the new memory. So that's why I will say strings are immutable object. So which means if I try to modify any string content, it will not be updating the same memory. It will be taking a new memory. So finally, because of this line, the new object is getting created. But am I assign this to any reference? No. Which means in the new memory, I have a Java world as a unreferenced object. I mean, no reference is pointing this one. Yes, still my reference S is pointing my old object. Now let us display the result. If I display the value of S, right now what will happen? It will be the displaying Java. Because S is still pointing my old object. I have a new object because of concatenation, but it is not pointed by any reference. So finally, let us run this code and we'll observe the output so that you will be getting the clear idea. You can look at the output. It is displaying the content of my old string object. Because this object is unreferenced object. My S is pointing the old object. So now, in this case, then how to get the new content? To get the new content, I have to say, or I have to reassign it. After performing some string manipulation, I need to reassign to get the new content. Now what will happen? The reference S is going to point the new object. Now if I try to display the value of S, I will be getting the new object. Yes, now the reference is pointing the new object. Let us run this code and look at the output. You can see I'm getting a new object. So finally, string objects are immutable object in Java. Immutable in the sense, if I try to modify the string content, it will be taking a new memory. If I want to get the new content, then I have to reassign it. So this is about string immutable in Java. Now I hope you are clear about string uh, memory manipulation. Now let us go to string buffer. So string buffer is also sequence of character and it is also a predefined class from java.lang package. Everything is same as your string. The one and only difference is it is mutable object. So which means what? It is going to update the same memory, which means no need to reassign. In case of string buffer, since it's going to manipulate or it is going to update the same memory to get the new content, we no need to reassign like string in case of string buffer. Let us do the same thing in string buffer, the same code. I'm going to replace with string buffer. I'm just creating an object of string buffer. Let it be sp equal new string buffer of I'm passing a string Java. Like string class, here also we have a method called append. So in case of string, for concatenation, we are using concat method, but here instead of concat, we will be using a method append. I'm going to append with world. So again, same scenario. Because of the first line, the reference SP is pointing a string Java. And the second line, since string buffers are mutable object, it is going to modify the same memory. So in the same memory, I will be getting the new content. Since it's modifying same memory and since it's a mutable object, we no need to reassign. Without reassign, I can get the new content. So now previously in case of string, we have to reassign to get the new content. But here you can see without reassignment, I'm going to get the new content. Let us run this code and we'll observe our output. So whether we are getting the new content or not. You can see without reassigning, I'm getting the new content. So this is string buffer or mutable object. So hope friends, so we are clear about the difference between string and string buffer in Java. So thanks friends for watching this video. If you like this video, so please subscribe and click on the bell symbol. Also, you can share it with your friends.